Hi guys, Lee Cole here. Before we do anything, if you're on YouTube, give me a like on this video. It's an awesome video. Give it a thumbs up. Also, scroll down, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon. I got great new content coming out every week. What we're going to talk about today is a new product, some new training that's launching. It's called Your First Upsell. I'm just going to tell you right now, that's a horrible name. Because basically what this training is about, it's about an easy to do, much needed service that you can provide businesses and get paid $300 a month for. You do the work one time, the business pays you over and over again. It does not have to be an upsell. This could be the first thing you sell a business. It's done by Timothy Black. He's the real deal. He's been running his own agency for 12 years. Let's take a look at the sales letter number 1. Then I'm going to walk you through the members area, and then we will talk about the OTOs. See you in a second. Okay, let's take a look at the sales letter. So we're looking at the headline, which it says a service that this guy, Timothy Black, he's been doing this for 12 years, makes an extra $250 to $300 per client per month, just working 1 hour a day. This is really, when I read the sales letter, I thought, man, that's almost too good to be true. But when I got in the members area and saw what this was all about, I thought, this is freaking brilliant. Again, it's called Your First Upsell. That's a horrible name. It really, really, really should be named something else, because this is honestly something that you could build an entire business on this. However, if you do have clients, you need to go back to all your clients and sell them this. So, brain dead easy to do. Step 1, use Timothy's method to find potential clients, mail them his email, collect your payment, get the work done. He shows you how to get the work done on Fiverr by different gigs. Super easy to do. Doesn't cost you much money, so that $250 to $300 that we're talking about you pocketing every month per client, that's virtually all profit. You don't have to come out of pocket any, and this is really, really, really simple. Doesn't require huge marketing budget, email list, product creation, technical skills, and really you literally could take this one thing in front of your computer, just a few minutes, hour a day, and build an entire business. Let's see what else is of interest here. Basically, and we're going to look inside the members area at the training, but this is a little overview. Broken down into modules, overview, finding the perfect prospects. It's video-based training, getting paid, and fulfillment. I mean, how easy could that be? You can read the sales letter yourself. There's no sense in me reading you a sales letter. The next thing I want to do, though, is take you inside the members area so you can take a look at this, and then we're going to talk about OTOs. Okay, one thing you'll notice about the sales letter right off the bat is it's what we call blind. In other words, it doesn't really tell you much about what the service is. And quite frankly, I'm not going to tell you what the service is, because this is so simple that if I just said, hey, Timothy says go do this service for businesses, you'd say, man, that's a no-brainer. And that would be cheating Timothy. Besides, the price he's got on this is insanely low. I mean, it's just like stupid low. So, I honestly wish that he would raise the price, but he won't before you have a chance to buy it. Now, this is the members area, and you will notice you have all of these links right here. Guys, this threw me when I saw it, just honestly. This is not the training. These are links to the upsells. Now, don't freak out. There are a few upsells. I'm going to go over all of them with you, and you don't have to have any of them to make this work. So, it is a few upsells, okay? But again, you don't have to have any of them to make it work. But this is not the training. If you'll scroll down, then it says main training area. All right, so don't be like me. Don't get confused with that. Make sure you register for the live Q&A training. Your first upsell. I watched this video a couple of times, and that's when it hit me, and I thought, I think I'm a pretty smart guy. I've been doing this local business marketing stuff for over a decade, and I thought, man, this is really killer. Why didn't you, talking about me, think about it? I didn't. Timothy did. It rocks. Watch this overview video. Finding your perfect prospects. Look, This is easy to do, guys. Look how, I'm not going to play this for you. That would really be unfair, but look how 7 minutes and 43 seconds. These videos are short, they're sweet, they're to the point, no fluff. And how to email the targets, you get his email that he uses. This is exactly how the guy does his business. Click here to download your email templates. He's giving you his proven email. Getting paid, all about getting paid, because you're getting paid monthly, right? So all about how to get paid, getting the work done. He does a lot of this on Fiverr. He's going to show you exactly who to use, how to use them, etc., how to find the right gigs, how to look, click here for Fiverr gigs and instructions. I mean, how easy is this? And wrapping up, and this is basically a conclusion. This is literally one of the easiest ways I've ever seen to build a real business. $250 to $300 a month per client. How many clients do you need with that to actually have a killer income? Not that many. Anybody following this system can build a real business. The next thing we're going to do is I'm going to talk you through the OTOs so you know what's coming. They're cool. You do not have to have them. Hang on just one sec. Okay, OTOs. They're 4. All right. Now, I am on the main training page here, and these top 4 links take you to the OTOs. You can see those. You will also step through the OTOs as you buy this, and you've done this before. I'm going to read this out, then we're going to look at the OTO sales letters. There's not much to them. They're just basically state what they are and give you a chance to buy them or not, either way. So, invest in my done-for-you follow-up emails. It's exactly what it says it is. Look, that's OTO 1. Okay, so done-for-you package, shortcut opportunity, and basically what you're looking at is his done-for-you email swipe package. These are follow-up emails, all right? So you're doing all this work, you're getting all these leads, and you're emailing them, right? So what do you do with all the ones that don't respond? That's basically the deal, which is, frankly, the majority, right? What do you do with those? You put them in an autoresponder and you follow up with them using these emails. Brain dead simple. None of this stuff is expensive, okay? Especially the front end offer. Like I said, it's crazy low, but not expensive. Anybody can afford this. You don't have to have it. Number 2. Invest in my done-for-you leads. Now, this is really cool. You can pay Timothy to send you leads. So, a bunch every month. So, you don't have to do the work. It's not hard, though, but you don't have to do the work to create your own leads. You can just pay this guy to send you leads. Bam, you're done. So, that's OTO 2. Again, not expensive. OTO 3's got a mentorship program, which is basically, it's like coaching with him type thing. If you want to go big with this and you can afford it, I never tell people to buy stuff they can't afford. If you want to go big with this and you can afford it, look into it. I mean, maybe that's something that you want. This guy's the real deal. He would absolutely be the right person to learn from. Invest in his partnership program. That's the final OTO. Now, I'll be honest with you. I looked at this video. I couldn't really tell the difference between the partnership program and the mentorship program. My bad. Maybe I'm just not, it is kind of late at night while I'm doing this because I've had a big day. You can look at the videos, figure it out. See this guy? He's the real deal. He's run an agency for 12 years. He's not going to lead you astray. 4 OTOs. You don't have to have any of them. However, if you can pick up some of these, you're going to be doing yourself a favor. My name's Lee Cole. Thank you so much for looking at this. I've got some great bonuses if you buy through my link, and I'll be talking with you very soon.